It is the weekend, so I'm doing laundry. Normally, I would wash the stuff that I'm wearing while I'm taking a shower, but somehow it added up because it is hot here. I have a laundry bag, and it's about 1.66 kilograms, 65 kilograms, so less than 2 kilograms. So I can go get this bag washed for 20,000 kip is less than $2. But at this place, let me show you, you can get one t-shirt washed for $1. One t-shirt. I know. And then they have all these like charges. So it's not even one t. They have a 10% VAT, 10% service charge. I don't know if the other place has any VAT or service charges, but if I'm gonna do laundry, I'm gonna take this whole thing to go wash. So it's gonna be about, because I have a jacket to wash too, jacket here to wash. But or I could just hand wash everything. I'm just doing some stuff that I can. And anyways, that's how I'm spending my first weekend in Laos. Washing, doing laundry. I don't know how it added up because normally I would do my laundry in the shower. And I think because it's just so hot here, like I just keep changing. And then like when I come back from work, it's just, I don't want to deal with stuff. So it's either I finish this or go find a laundry thing. It's the convenience. I know. I need to like talk myself into this, but it just doesn't make sense to pay $1 for one shirt when I could literally just do it here. Because I love the sink. I love the space of the sink. Literally, I'm just washing, and then I use the soap from the shower gel. Don't break anything. And just hang dry. So I'll do this now until I get tired or hungry. Ciao.